Rose here. I am shooting from my apartment in Beijing. I haven't vlogged in such a long time, so I feel like such a rookie right now. This is the entrance, so let me just open the door. So my apartment in China, we do the keypads. We don't do keys in China. This is my front door. Once we enter, here are these two doors are my closet. This is my roommates. I can show you what I put here. I basically have my luggage here, and then down here I actually have a few shoes, and I just have like bags. And actually, here's a fun fact. I was Belle, Princess Belle from Beauty and the Beast for Halloween 2018, and there's my costume. Once again, this is my roommate, so I'm not going to open that. When you open this, here is the bathroom. So one of the things about China is that there's no such thing as a shower like this. And what do I mean by that? I mean, in typical Chinese apartment, you only have that. This shower head. You don't have the doors, the glass doors or anything like that. So when you're specifically searching for an apartment in China or Beijing in general, make sure that you ask for glass doors, because trust me, it does not come with this majority of the time. So here's the sink. Here's a few of my belongings. Fun fact, I like to keep this here because I got my face checked and the lady was telling me that I'm going to end up with brown spots, and suggested for me to start applying sunblock. We have a cute little setup here for girls. My roommate is a girl. I have a Mickey towel. Those who know me, I love Mickey. And then I love the fact that we have our washing machine here. It's very convenient. It's super duper, like the bathroom is big enough for almost everything, and I do really love that. Once we exit, we see the front door again. But my little intercom, we do not know how to use this, by the way. Then we have the kitchen here. So this is the kitchen. We're going to close the door because the air conditioner is on blast right now. So fun fact, you cannot drink, I mean, I'm only saying this because I'm from New York City, and in New York City I can drink from the sink. Here you have to purchase this because this is the best way for you to get H2O in your system. Just saying. Now, people don't really believe in China, people don't really believe in cooking. So the drying rack is small AF. I'm surprised this stove came with two, because usually it's just one. Like my first apartment only had one, and now when I moved to this apartment, I was very happy the fact that this has two. So people in China do not believe in, not that they don't believe, but they don't have an oven. Trust me, it was a culture shock for me too. I mean, I was just like, what? No oven? You have to purchase the oven separately. And yeah. And then the microwave, of course. This is the kitchen. It's small and it's cute and I love it. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Oh my gosh. So obviously, you know, we need wine because we're teachers, and we need beer because we're teachers, but we keep it healthy. However, I am vegan, so this is my section. I love me my Oatly milk. And now we move on to the next room, which would most likely be my bedroom. Well, actually, let's do the living room. Why not? So here we are. It was laundry day today, so stuff is here. I love the fact that we have a table like this because we can always open it and close it, which gives us enough space for the place. And then we have this cute little light here. I love this couch. So I was basically sold by the apartment because I love the color of the couch. It just makes this whole place absolutely perfect. Like, look at this, guys. Come on. And the view, oof, even better. And the view at night, and especially at the morning, is so beautiful. It's so worth it. We have dead plants, we have dry flowers. So here we have like a special Wi-Fi router. This is with VPN. This is not with VPN. So this is regular, and this is special. Those who know what I'm talking about, you need VPN in order to use your applications, your Western applications, and having a VPN Wi-Fi router is definitely very helpful in China. Trust me, you will be happy. So if you're thinking of moving here, or if you already live here, definitely purchase a VPN router, Wi-Fi router, because it would just change your life completely. As I was showing you, we have the front door, we have the bathroom, we have the kitchen, and this is the rest of the living room. And then last but not least, my bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment. That bedroom is my roommate's, and then this bedroom is mine. I chose this bedroom, truth be told, because I unfortunately always have to use the bathroom in the middle of the night. So I decided to choose the one closer to the bathroom. And this is my bedroom. It actually came with this frame. Shout out to Gloria, because she actually loves that frame. And this is my latest addition to my bedroom. Actually, I went to my good friend's wedding. Her name is Nancy. Shout out to Nancy if you're watching this. And she decided to give me this, and I haven't even changed the water. But I think it's so pretty. I love how they're dry and look so pretty. Once again, my beautiful view. I cannot get over this. I feel like I'm in Manhattan. Not really, but you know, I get the city feels, city vibes. And here's my nice, amazing bed. Oh my gosh, you guys, I kid you not, now that I'm in bed. I kid you not, beds in China are super duper hard. The mattresses are very, very hard. So I definitely recommend for you to buy a mattress pad. I have one, it's super soft. I feel 10 times better when I sleep, and it's a must. Behind my door, I have to represent, you know. I have my backpack. I bring this to work every day. It's so dirty. Oh my gosh. Don't know what to do with it anymore. And I have my umbrella. I bought this in Marshall's. I freaking love it because it's Mickey Mouse. And then up there's actually Laura's gift. Shout out to Laura. My first apartment had a nightstand, but it was not as cute as this. I love simple stuff and cute things. And my first apartment did not, the nightstand was not cute at all. Down here I have my speaker. I love this, by the way, guys. It's sandproof, waterproof, everything proof. And it's loud. And you can take it anywhere. It's amazing. This was actually a Christmas gift from my dad. Super good. It smells so great on me. I usually get compliments from people. They're just like, oh, what's that? And I'm like, it's very sexy. So I bought this as a makeup remover, but I personally do not like it, only because I just wear mascara and lipstick, so it doesn't really do what I want it to do, and I just keep it here basically. And then this was actually a gift from one of my parents. I personally haven't used it, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then here I have my laptop and chargers. And I actually DIY this. I went to IKEA with Bernie. Shout out to Bernie if you're watching this. And I saw this and I was like, I have to make it. And I have here my little book section. I only arrived to China with this and this and this. This is where I hold my jewelry. I'm not making that up. This eventually just came along. Let's see, I have a closet here. I have clothes up here. I have all these hangers. Oh my gosh, I bought these hangers at Walmart. I bought this. It was a package deal and it's so freaking cute. I'm not ready to use it yet, but the day I do, I'm definitely gonna take pictures because it's so cute. And then here I have more shoes. Me, hello. I like simplicity. I don't like a lot of things, and when I do feel like I have a lot of things, I just end up getting rid of it because that's just who I am. And then I have my third door, which is my parents actually gave me this for Christmas. They were just like, oh, for the night that you decide to party, and I'm just like, oh, okay. I have my hoop earrings. I cannot live without these. I have big, medium, and small. I actually purchased this at Burlington Coat Factory last time I went home with Elisa. So shout out to Elisa if you're watching this, because she's the one who helped me pick out these. And then I have like shirts and random things that I cannot fit in a hanger. If you're planning to move to China, definitely you have to purchase these things. You don't have to, but I personally love the smell of Febreze, and I feel like, so China does carry these brands, but they're like Chinese versions, so they're not even like the Gain. It's not even the Gain smell or the Downy smell, unfortunately. And I felt like bringing that from home made it more homey, made me feel like I was back in America every time I spray it. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I purchased this in Walmart, and it makes my lashes look absolutely amazing. I have like other miscellaneous things here. My extra SIM card, because Lord knows I love to take pictures and videos. I haven't been doing it much lately because life happens, but yes, I have an extra one. I love to carry this around because my skin gets very dry. I just recently got this as a gift from one of my parents, my students' parents. Just so you know, if you are planning to move here, if you are anything like me and you have heartburn, definitely pack Tums, because let me tell you, I've been through so much, and I just have 3 left. And then I have like other miscellaneous things. I have my planner, Q-tips, hairbrush and whatnot. I have my hair stuff here. This is actually Garfield. I got it for my 28th birthday. My TA, my favorite TA, she actually gave me this as a birthday gift. Okay, so I actually put my undies and my bras and my socks and all in one bin. Guys, this bin has been in my life for like almost a decade, like either 9 or 10 years. Maybe it has been a decade, I really don't know, but I bought this at Target. It has been so amazing. Like, I was just like, I'm not gonna leave America without it, and I'm so glad I didn't, because I knew that I was going to need this. So yes, if you guys need something like this, definitely purchase it. I love the fact that it rolls out and in, and it's very easy, so I decided to use it as a laundry bin. I love it here, and I actually feel a lot happier, a lot closer to Beijing, my first apartment. I used to live so far away from Beijing. My second apartment, it was okay. I mean, it was great, except I just didn't like the whole living situation, so I decided to move here. This is my 3rd apartment, so yes, 3rd one's always a charm. I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and I really love this cute bedroom. And this is the overall of my bedroom. I actually have my slippers on today. If you're planning to move here, now you know. So that's it. This is my tour. You've seen my apartment, you've seen my bedroom. I showed you a few of the things that you need. If you're planning to move to China, it's not that bad as long as you know which essentials you need. And I think I pretty much summed up the stuff that you need. Make sure you like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go have dinner now, and have a blessed day. Bye.